Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. I'm Haeryung. Today I'm going to share my recipe of simmered beltfish. Have you ever cooked the beltfish before? This one is a beltfish, galchi in Korean, and tachiwo in Japanese. Beautiful, right? So today this dish name is a Galchi Jorim in Korean and simmered the beltfish. Today we have 3 steps. The first, step 1, I'm going to prepare vegetables. Step 2, I'm going to make the seasoning, combine all seasoning ingredients. Then last step, step 3, we are going to simmer the beltfish. Let's get started. So today I'm going to use the daikon, radish, and shishito peppers, gochu, this one. So let's start with the daikon. So you can just peel the daikon first. You peel the daikon. So this daikon I'm going to cut into half, then slice to half moon. The next, so this shishito green pepper, gochu, just you remove this cutie head. Just remove it. I've already washed these shishito peppers and cut off excess moistures, the water. We finished preparing the daikon, radish, and gochu shishito green peppers. So we finished step 1. Step 2, let's combine all the ingredients of seasonings. So garlic here, grated garlic, sugar, red chili pepper powder, and I'm going to add the soy sauce, combine well, and today's seasoning. We prepared today's seasoning. So we finished step 2. Step 3, final step. So today I'm using this Luku size is 26. Yeah, size 26. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add sesame oil in a pot. Then I'm going to place this radish. You know what? This radish absorbs all this delicious soup from the fish. And also, if you place this radish at the bottom right, it prevents the fish stuck in the pot. So I always do this. Then next, I'm going to place the beltfish here on top of the radish. Small one in the middle, like this. Then I'm gonna pour in the sauce. Then I'm going to add the water here. I'm gonna add the water on the side. Okay, then we are going to start cooking. So I'm going to cover the lid and turn on the heat, medium-high heat. Yeah, bring to a boil. Let's check. I pour some soup over the fish. And once it boils, right, you lower the heat, simmer over low heat until the fish are cooked. And later, I'm going to add the shishito peppers. So I'm gonna cover the lid again and then cook until the fish are fully cooked. Occasionally, I open the lid and then pour the soup over the fish. Okay, now I cooked for about 10 minutes. So the fish are cooked, and I'm going to add shishito peppers. I'm gonna cook a little bit after adding shishito peppers. Okay, beautiful aroma. After heat, take one fish from here. Look at this radish, so yummy. Some shishito peppers. So today we made simmered beltfish. It's very flavorful. It's not really spicy, but hint of spicy you can enjoy. And it's savory. There's a soya sauce and a garlic, red chili pepper powder, and this daikon, the radish, absorbed this delicious juice from the fish and the sauce. So it's incredibly delicious. Yes, scrumptious. So today we made simmered the beltfish in Korean style. Thanks for joining me to cooking this recipe today. So if you have any questions, please leave your comment. If you enjoy cooking with me today, please do not forget subscribe, like, or leave your comment. Thank you so much for your support. 감사합니다. See you next time. 사랑해요.